Happy Easter Saturday 2020. So I have been playing with some hair and beauty products today, and I started off this morning by giving you can see my hair is really bright and shiny, giving myself a little hair treatment. And a few weeks ago I won some Olaplex products. I actually won a complete holiday fix gift set with 4 products in, but the one I used today was Olaplex Hair Perfector No.3 repairs and strengthens all hair types. So I put this on to damp hair this morning and I left it on for about 10 minutes, more than 10 minutes. You need to leave it on for a minimum of 10 minutes. Use it once a week, or really damaged hair 2 to 3 times a week, and you just apply it on damp towel dried hair before shampooing. So I just damp my hair and put some of this product in and just massaged it onto my scalp and through, and then I was pottering about doing different things, having a cup of tea, etc., and just forgot about it really. And it was way more than 10 minutes later that I jumped in the shower, and I have treated myself to this German Plantar 39 because I was recommended this by one of my customers. She said it really improved and strengthened her hair, and I now realise that Plantar 39 is because it's aimed at for hair over 40. So as from her recommendation, that was the lovely Jilly, I did recommend it to a couple of other clients and even to one of my gentlemen, and he then said that although I sent him off looking for Plantar 39, he then discovered that Alpecin is the male version, and so I recently treated Perry to some of that as well. As when I met him, when we got married 25 years ago in June, he had a really thick head of curly hair, and although he's still got a very good head of curly hair, with all the wax he uses in his quiff, it is not as thick as it was. So we are going to try the caffeine shampoo, and the gentleman I recommended to, the next time I cut his hair, he said thank you so much, it's brilliant, he really likes it. Hence I got Perry, and his hair's feeling a lot better. And I thought, right, well, as I'm 50, I'm going to treat myself to some of this. And having now read the blurb, the facts behind it, it's for hair over 40, so I'm a little bit late. And it's also for, it explains how during the menopause, roots are affected by a high share of female, before the menopause, female hormones, oestrogen, and then during the menopause and after the menopause, this decreases with the male impact of testosterone, male hormones. So, and hair growth becomes thinner, falls out prematurely. And my hair, I went through an early menopause. It was diagnosed when I was 34. So I'm a bit late trying this because I turned 50 in March. But they've done the research. And so I've used it for the first time today. And it's a caffeine-based active ingredient. You have to leave it on your scalp for a minimum of 2 minutes. So I just put it on my scalp and left it on it, straight on top of this. In the shower, showered it off, and then I shampooed again and left it on my scalp while I did the rest of my showering and beauty regime. And then because the sun's been fading my colour, I then put on, and this is a vegan product actually, the Marinilla Autumn Red Colour Refresh Mask, and then I topped it up with the Colour Revive Osmo Purple Rouge. If I put that straight on my hair where my roots are going grey and quite light, that would come out far, far too bright pink. So I mixed it today, concentrating this on my roots, on the regrowth, and this mixed with the other one through the mid-length strand. And as you can see, my hair is shiny, healthy, lovely and bright. And then I've been online and posted some eye makeup combinations, including the colour, using the colours in my makeup charity makeup bundle prize draw to raise money for NHS charities together, because they are doing such a great job for us, saving lives during the COVID-19 crisis. So I just thought I'd come on and share some of my spa day pampering, and I've used Olaplex, Plantar 39, and my colour care conditioners. Any questions, any advice you'd like, please just comment below and I'll come straight back to you. Thank you. That's janemott.co.uk. Stay safe at home.